All right, let's talk about taming your e-commerce store. If you've ever felt like you're just drowning in the endless task of creating product listings, well, you're going to want to stick around for this. We're about to dive into a seriously powerful tool. But first, be honest with yourself for a sec. How much of your week is eaten up by this one task? Hours? Maybe even days? It's a huge bottleneck for so many online sellers, right? It's just tedious, repetitive work, and it's time you could be spending on, actually growing your business. What if you could just get all that time back? Well, say hello to the AI Publisher. This thing is the real deal. It's a full-on automation engine from Hustle Got Real that literally finds and publishes products for you based on rules and filters that you set up. Think of it like hiring the perfect employee who works 24/7 and never, ever gets tired. So here's the game plan. First, we're going to properly meet the AI Publisher. Then we'll look at the two big choices you have, simple versus advanced mode. We'll take a good look under the hood of both. And finally, we'll cover how to launch your first automation and, just in case, how to fix it if things go a little sideways. Okay, let's get into it. Section 1, Meet the AI Publisher. At its core, this tool is designed to do one thing and do it incredibly well. Fill your store with the right products completely on autopilot. But here's the thing, to get started, it presents you with one really important choice. A fork in the road, if you will. And this decision is all about balancing two things, how much speed you want versus how much control you need. And that brings us right here to the two paths you can take, simple mode and advanced mode. Honestly, the best way to think about this is like driving a car. Are you someone who just wants to put it in drive and go? Or do you want a stick shift so you can control every gear change? And that analogy really nails it. Simple mode is your automatic drive. It's the set it and forget it option, built for pure, uncomplicated speed. Advanced mode, though, that's your manual control. It's the command center, where you get total, fine-grained precision over every single detail. So let's hop in that automatic drive first and check out simple mode. If your main goal is to get products into your store like right now, with as little fuss as possible, this is going to be your best friend. What's really cool is that even in simple mode, you get a pretty big choice right up front. You can totally trust the AI to pick the best suppliers for you. Or if you've got some favorites you already like working with, you can just go ahead and select them yourself. And hey, simple definitely doesn't mean basic. You also have the option to supercharge your listings. For just a few tokens, you can let the AI rewrite your titles for better SEO, juice up your descriptions to help them sell, or even optimize the whole shebang. Now, this is super important to understand. When you use simple mode, you're unleashing a beast. Once you hit go, it starts immediately and it just keeps publishing. There are no schedules to set, no daily limits, and no let me check it first step. It's just pure, raw automation. Okay, but what if that's a little too wild for you? What if you're a bit of a control freak and want to be the one calling all the shots? Well, for that, my friend, we're going to shift gears and head over to advanced mode. Now, don't let the word advanced scare you off. It's really just a straightforward 6-step journey that walks you through everything. We're going to pick our suppliers, set our pricing rules, choose our publishing options, create a schedule, add those AI bells and whistles, and then just give it a final once-over. So step 1, suppliers. Here you can handpick them, filter for products with specific keywords in the title, and you can even check a box for Prime-only items if you're sourcing from Amazon. And notice that summary on the right? It updates in real time with every single click, so you always know what you're telling the system to do. Next up, let's talk money. This is where you tell the AI exactly what kind of products are actually worth your time. You can set a price range, say only publish items between $20 and $100, or you can define a specific profit range that you're aiming for. Okay, pay attention, because this is probably the most important rule in this whole process. You can set either a price range or a profit range. You cannot set both. The system will even warn you. Just pick one lane and stick to it. Step 3 is all about the little details and your safety net. You can decide if you want to publish product variations, like all the different colors and sizes. And here's the big one, review before publish. If you toggle this on, every single item the AI finds lands in a pending list for you to approve. Nothing goes live without your final okay. It's the ultimate peace of mind. In step 4, you literally become the master of time. You can tell it not to start until next week. You can decide to publish exactly, say, 15 products every day. And you can set a max quantity, which is basically a kill switch. You can tell it, hey, after you list 150 total products, just turn yourself off. You are in complete control.
And just because we're playing in the advanced settings doesn't mean we lose out on that AI magic. Step 5 brings back all those same great optimization options. You can add them in, and the system shows you exactly how many tokens you have and what the cost is going to be for each product. No surprises.
All right, we have painstakingly built our perfect set of rules. Our publishing machine is ready. It is time for launch. This last part is all about hitting the go button and knowing what to expect next. Before you actually commit, the system gives you this fantastic final summary. It lays out every single setting you've chosen, your suppliers, your pricing, your schedule, everything. This is your moment to take a breath, give it one last look, and make sure it's perfect before you click Create Order. Okay, the moment of truth. Once you click, one of two things is going to happen. You'll either see that beautiful screen on the left, the green checkmark of success, your order is in. Or you might see the screen on the right, an error. But don't panic. This just means your rules were so specific, the AI couldn't find anything that matched. And fixing it is so easy. All you have to do is go back and just loosen the reins a little bit. Maybe add one more supplier to the list, or widen that price range. You could even just remove a keyword that might be too restrictive. Tweak it a little, try again, and I promise you'll get that green check mark. And really, that's the whole thing. You've now seen the two powerful ways to use the AI publisher. There's the automatic drive of simple mode for pure speed, and the manual control of advanced mode for total precision. So the only question left to answer is, which path are you going to choose for your store?